21 mil for the lugs.
There's a Camry coming in probably in the next half an hour for brakes.
All right.
That's something that we have to do over there.
So 14 mil for the rear bolts. Pop it out. Compressor caliper. Pretty nice tool. Caliper compressor. Makes life a lot easier. Can also pick up one of these Lyles pretty cheap. If you don't have new hardware, clean up the old hardware. Should work just fine while it's not rusted out. Get a wire brush in there. Slide pins, clean them up. Get your new brake pads, open them up. These ones didn't come with hardware, so we're reusing. I want to try and get that little squealer tab down on the back side. A little bit of grease only on the pads, don't need to go overboard. Lightly on the guide pins, slide pins, whatever you want to call them. That's about it. Get these little clips in there. There's 4 holes. I don't know if you can see them there. Right there, both pads. Grab the caliper. Start your bolt, tighten it down. Make sure your line isn't flipped around either. You'll need to get them, you know, all the way tight now. When bringing the vehicle down, you're going to torque them up probably somewhere between 90 and 115 foot-pounds, and then that'll be it.